Growing and fertilizing cauliflower at home is not difficult. As long as you fertilize it properly, you will have the cauliflower garden you want. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I will use small paint bucket to grow cauliflower at home. Now I will plant the sapling in the paint can. After planting the tree, I will water it to help it have moisture to grow. At this stage, the tree is taking root and growing. I will add worm castings to the base to help the tree absorb nutrients directly. I put soil at the base of the tree to help it stand firmer and stronger. To keep the plant moist, I will water it regularly. Eggshells help strengthen the plant, and eggshells help improve the soil and increase the plant's immunity, so I will put eggshells at the base. Now that the plants are growing well, I will plant a stick in each cauliflower plant to help it stand more firmly. To keep the plant from lacking water, I will add water to the plant. It's amazing that with simple planting and care, I have a beautiful and big cauliflower garden. Now I will harvest them to cook, and I will share with everyone I love to enjoy the fruits of my labor. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.